Hey guys, welcome to Winnie Studio, and yes, it's time for another great exciting tutorial. If you guys haven't subscribed my channel yet, don't forget to click on subscribe and don't forget to click on that bell icon. So with that note, let's start with the tutorial. So here we are in Photoshop, and first thing first, let's drag and drop this image over here, and let's fill the background color with something like this one. Alright, now let's go to create a new layer. Go to brush, and I'm going to use this splatter brush, and if you want to download the same brush pack, check in the description. Let's go down. So select this one. Let's create the color. Maybe something like this. Let's change the brush rotation. Change the brush color to something like this. Create a new layer. Alright, now let's add sand. Same thing over here too. Create a new layer. Change the somewhat similar color. Let's create a new layer again. Somewhere over here. Right now, let's create one more. Go somewhere over here. Let's do the same thing. Create a new layer. Create a new layer again, and let's change the color to somewhere over here. Now let's create one more layer, and let's change the color to something like white. Alright, now let's select on layer 1, go to filter, go to camera raw filter, and I will just increase the clarity, just decrease the vibrance, and increase exposure a little bit, increase the shadows, and drop down the highlights. Maybe somewhere around here. Alright, and let's go to filter, go to filter gallery, and I'll just move for cut out. Let's change the label to 7, simplicity to 2, and simplicity to 4. Alright, now let's drag and drop this texture image over here. Control T, let's make a rotation. Let's make it a little bigger, and let's move this position to the top, and let's change the blending mode to soft light, and let's drop down the opacity a little bit, maybe somewhere over here. Alright, now let's add some text. Change the color to white. Control T, let's make it a little bigger. Alt and drag to make a copy. Let's drag and drop to make a copy. Alright, Control T, let's move it. Let's bring all of them to somewhere over here, and let's bring them all the way to the bottom, maybe somewhere around here. Right, now let's add some more. Let's move it somewhere over here. Let's add some strokes. So for that, go to pen tool, and I'll just change the fill to none, and then make a stroke to 2 pixel, maybe 3 pixel, and then let's start drawing. Bottom. Let's add some detail over here too. Alright, now let's create one more layer. Go to brush, and then this time I'll just go for normal brush, and let's drop down the brush size. and let's change the color to white, maybe a little smaller, maybe like 9 pixel. And then let's create one more layer. Let's create one more layer, maybe add some tutorial. So alright, that's the final, and I hope you guys learned something new from this video, and see you guys in the next video.